Hey everybody, on this video we're going to air fry a 1 pound T-bone steak, and so I've preheated the air fryer to 400 for 5 minutes, and I'm going to actually be using for this video some parchment paper, which helps with the cleanup. And so I'm just throw that in the bottom of the air fryer, and I'm using a rack. We're going to put the steak on a rack, and I've not cooked a steak on this yet, so we'll find out together how it goes. And there'll be links in the description to these things, so you can check them out on Amazon if you want to do that. So go ahead and transfer our steak. And this thing has actually been marinated with some 15-minute marinade, but ended up having to work, so it's been marinating for a couple of hours, but hopefully it turns out okay. So it's 1 pound here. Just going to set it right on the rack. And we'll just go ahead and pop it into the air fryer. Now this steak, it's 1 pound, it's kind of thick here, so I'm actually going to do 7 minutes on one side and then flip it, and I'll let it go another 6 minutes, and then we'll of course let it rest. So we'll do 400 degrees, and we're going to go 7 minutes on the first side here. So I'm going to push start, and we'll be back in 7 minutes to flip it. Alright, so it's cooked for 7 minutes on that side. So let's see what we're working with here. And I'm going to go ahead and flip it over. And then we're going to just let it go. I guess I'm just going to go another 6 minutes on this side. I like the steak more on the medium rare side than the like medium well side. So I'm going to turn it back on here. And I'm just going to let it go another 6 minutes and pull it out, let it rest, and we'll cut it apart and see what we got. Alright, so there's 6 minutes on the other side, so we got 13 total. So we'll go and pull the steak out. And I'm going to throw it on a plate, and we're going to let it rest here for 5 minutes. Okay, we'll cover it up, and we'll check back here in 5 minutes and see what we got. Set a set timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
So stop timer. Alright, so our steak has now rested for 5 minutes, and we can cut it open here and see what we got. Tell you, it smells good. Alright, so it's pretty medium rare, which is how I like it cooked. You can always cook it, longer if you want it more well done. And so that's basically, it's a air fried steak, 400, basically 13 minutes. And I've done some other steak videos and got a lot of comments on it. I don't mind the mean comments, but if you're going to be mean, at least try to be funny. And like I said, I can check the links in the description for links to the air fryer, the rack, and the parchment paper. And I guess that's all we got for this video. We'll talk to everybody later.